The Galaxy Watch Classic series has officially made its return, and tech site Venerin just shared their hands-on experience with the new Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. After skipping last year, Samsung brought back the famous rotating bezel, giving this smartwatch a more traditional look and feel instead of just being another digital gadget on your wrist. When you compare it to the regular Galaxy Watch 8, the classic version feels more solid and noticeable. It's about 10.6 millimeters thick and weighs around 63.5 grams. It feels sturdy but not too heavy. The model tested in the hands-on review came with a black leather strap, making it look smart enough for business meetings while still being casual enough for everyday use. It's a smartwatch you could wear to both the gym and a dinner party. One of the biggest highlights is the return of the rotating bezel. It feels smooth to turn and is a nice change from always swiping the screen with your finger. You can use it to move through menus or check notifications easily. There's also a quick button on the side of the watch that you can set to open different apps quickly, like the camera, voice recorder, or even a mode that clears water out of the watch after a swim. The display on the Watch 8 Classic is a bright 3000 nit Super AMOLED screen, which makes it super easy to read even outdoors in bright sunlight. The regular Galaxy Watch 8 uses the same screen, so no difference there. Inside, the Classic runs on Samsung's new 3nm Exynos W1000 chip and comes with dual-frequency GPS, so whether you're tracking a workout or using it for directions, it performs smoothly and accurately. Health and fitness features are big. Part of this watch, it includes all the usual sensors plus 2 new ones, an antioxidant index and a vascular load tracker. These give you more detailed information about your overall health. The watch also offers features like sleep coaching, a running coach, stress alerts, and an AI-powered energy score to help you manage your day better. Software-wise, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic runs Wear OS 6 with Samsung's One UI 8 on top. The interface is easy to use and feels quick when moving between apps and widgets. According to the hands-on review, the redesigned apps menu is cleaner and faster to navigate, and widgets are arranged neatly so you can check them at a glance. Notifications show up quickly, and Samsung added Gemini Live, Google's AI assistant, for smarter features on your wrist. Even though the software is the same as the regular Watch 8, the Classic's slightly bigger screen makes everything look a little better and more comfortable to use. From reading messages to checking fitness stats, everything feels just a bit easier to see. Despite looking like a classy, old-school watch, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is packed with fitness and health tools. It's made for both working out and dressing up. It can easily handle a run in the morning and a formal dinner at night without looking out of place. As for battery life, Samsung watches have always struggled a bit in this area. Early hands-on use says battery life might be better this time, but we'll have to wait for full reviews to know for sure. Pre-orders for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic are already open. It officially launches on July 25th. The price is higher this year, for $199 for the Bluetooth-only model and $549 for the LTE version. But Samsung is offering trade-in deals where you can save up to $250 if you exchange an older device, which could make it a lot more affordable. In short, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is perfect for people who want a watch that looks traditional but has modern features inside. Whether you're heading to a business meeting, going for a run, or just relaxing, this watch can do it all. What do you think? Are you excited about the return of the rotating bezel? Does the sleek design make the higher price worth it? Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for a full review when the watch officially hits stores.